First, I want to thank myself for achieving this hairstyle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amazon AMATZON Evia. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. Today I'm gonna be doing it for you. So in today's video, I'll just be recreating this amazing hairstyle that was done on Bad Girl Riri for the Vogue magazine cover page. You guys, please give this video a huge thumbs up if you want to see how I achieved this amazing look, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell beside to get notified when I bring up new videos. I mean, long time no hairstyling. So let's take down this twist and do some, okay? So I'm just gonna use castor oil. This is Jamaican black castor oil, but I have to put it in this applicator bottle so it's easier. So I'll just run it in because my scalp is a mess. Can this oil just come out? So you're done. Basically, I want the front section just like she's already parted it to be this way, like fold this way. So I'm not going to do nothing to that. But I'm just going to move to the back and then kind of try to part the back into a couple more sections, okay? Okay, so at this point I was just trying to part the back section of my hair into smaller sections, and I realized that for the first part of the hair I did do bigger sections, which made it look a lot more fuller. You guys see all of that? That's a lot, okay? And I didn't even care about the parting, okay? The roots were so free enough, so whatever I did was just beautiful. So what you're going to do is you're going to try starting off a basic 3-strand braid, and then you're going to braid a quarter, length of the hair. So not everything, you're not braiding into half of the hair, just like a quarter. Literally just use your hands to run through to see, where the length is and then where you would like to stop as well. Also, if you make the braids a lot more longer, I did on some section of my hair, it's going to make the hair a bit more shorter. The puff is going to be shorter, okay? So just, understand it that way, okay? So you're just going to do the same thing, and then when you're done, you're going to run your hands all through the length of the hair, way down to the tip. I had to comb this just to get it out, fluff it a little bit more, and then after that, you're going to take that, move it up. You're going to roll it over your finger to where your braid stopped, and then you're going to twirl that round the braids. Now you could as well just roll it up there and then use a clip, an elastic band, or anything, but this is going to be a lot more easier to take down. So I'm going to repeat that here again so you guys get to see that process again, and that's basically what the hair is all about. So if you want to see more, just stick around. I'll bring it to the front section and you get to see a lot more, but for now, hold that, the tip there, curl it all over your hands, and then take it back to the braid, and then twirl that round the braids till you have a secured, bond or something. Just that. Okay? There you go. Feel free to put your clip, your bead, everything, whatever it is that you want to use to beautify your hair. And I think we're done with the back section. Let's take a look. Can you guys see that? I can't see, but I'm so proud of myself already. So we'll do this part, on camera. I'm just feeling my skin, y'all. I'm sweating, you guys. Look at that. Look at all of this stress just for you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend. If you try this hair, tag me on Instagram. So okay, now I'm bringing it to the front so you guys get to see clearer. Clearly, clearer. I don't know, whatever. But like I said, braid a quarter of the hair and then leave it all the length, roll it back to the braids. It's clearer here, and then twirl it all round the braided hair, and then just leave it be or fluff it to whatever volume you want it to be. It's that simple. So I just did that so I could fluff it a little bit. Did you see that? That was that easy, guys. So let's get done with it. I love the side more because I feel like the parting here was quite large, and it's also mainly because this side of my hair has more density than this side. So Now, don't get it twisted, guys. This was a lot of hard work, and I think it took me like an hour to get it done. Yeah, I'm not even kidding you guys. It took me like an hour to get that done, and it's a lot of work. I felt like I was doing some work. I'm working on my arms, trying to build it and all of that. First, I want to thank myself for getting it done. Woo! Oh my God, you guys. And I should have done this before I started even braiding the hair, but I just need to get the braids out of the way because that was a lot of work for me. I felt like I was going to lose my mind at a point, okay? Y'all need to like this video. Give it a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe, because that's the only way you can appreciate my effort. Right? There we go. So I thought, a little bit of laying up edges wouldn't hurt nobody, so I'm going to lay them edges, y'all. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell beside the subscribe button, and give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And guess what? YouTube has made it so easy for you to comment, because right below this video is the comment section. So please drop a nice comment, and that would make you, make me know you appreciate all my effort, because this took like forever, but I did it for you.